This is Mia from Mimo Design Laser Files. Today I'll show you how to assemble these spinners that I have. This one is for a teacher's gift and it's layered like this. So you have a bagger, either with a hanger or without a hanger. The one without you can add magnets to and use this as a magnet piece. It will have a wheel. This one says, "You are the best teacher in the whole world." When it spins around, you'll have the front, which is engraved and scored. And finally, you'll have this pencil that you could either layer with the included best teacher text, or you could use a name or whatever you prefer. So assembling is very easy. Once you've cut the file, you want to make sure that you sand the wheel on both sides. The more you sand and the more smooth you can make this, the easier the wheel will slide. The inner piece of the wheel you don't want to sand, but you want to keep it because this is what holds the ornament together. So assembling is easy. You place your wheel to the bagger, and I already pre-painted these. I didn't include a painting tutorial, but I did make a video of it. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how I painted mine, let me know down in the comment section. But back to assembling. You place your wheel and you then take this inner round. And you now have a few options, because this inner round you want to be just a tiny bit bigger than the wheel itself. And since this is cut from the same material, it is the same thickness. So you could either take some cardboard or some foam, or you could use some thick 3M tape or whatever you can find, but something that will give this just a little bit of distance from this to the front. What I do is that I use a stapler. This stapler is from my local hardware shop in Sicily, and I can use 4, 6, 8 and 10 millimeter staples with this. I use the 6 millimeter since I am doing 2 layers of 4 millimeter wood. So what I want to do, once I've added glue on the back, you actually don't have to add glue since you're stapling it down, but you just give it a few staples like this. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but these staples will help lift your front just a tiny bit, and this is enough. So once you've stapled or added a little material, you want to add some glue again. If you're using the staples, make sure that you're adding your glue to the staples, because they are popping up from the wood. So you want to make sure that you don't get too much glue on, because then you'll get your wheel stuck. But once you have your glue, you place the top, and you want to make sure that this part is aligning with the hanger. If you're using the magnet version, you don't have a hanger to align it to, and alignment isn't required. So once you have it aligned, you just use some clamps to hold it down while it's drying. This, and once it's dry, you can then glue your layered pencil and text on top. And that's it, guys. This takes 2 to 3 minutes to assemble. The painting took me around 10 minutes in total, and this was all painted with my acrylic markers, and I used some chalk paint to make this kind of washed effect on top of it. So 15 minutes project in total, and that's it. Once this is dry, you remove your clamps and you take the mule for a few spins, add a string to the hanger, and you're ready to sell it. So that's it. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or join my Facebook helping group. It's called Laser Up with Mimo Design on Facebook. And also, if you are interested in this or other files from me, you can find them on mimodesignlaserfiles.etsy.com or on allstarsdesign.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.